Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain how to block extensions on Firefox browser, using Gorup Policy, where you can disable installation of Mozilla Firefox extensions, by applying a policy to domain users that prevents them from disable external extensions. By default, domain users can install external extensions on Firefox without any restrictions that prevent them from stopping the installation of external extensions, and if you want to prevent domain users from doing so, you must apply a policy that prevents downloading or installing any extensions on the browser. Okay, let's get started. I will create a GPO to prevent domain users from using extensions on Firefox. Open Server Manager dashboard. Then, click on the Tools menu from the top of the page, and from there select Group Policy Management. Click to expand the foreset from the left, and select the domain you will be working on. Then right-click on the organizational unit you want to apply the policy to. From the menu select Create a GPO in this domain, and link it here. Then enter a name that indicates this policy in the new GPO window. Then click OK. Then right-click on the policy that was just created, and select Edit. This will open the Group Policy Management Editor. Then expand the folders on the left side to open the path that appears in front of you on the screen. I will leave you the path in the description of the video. You must import the administrative templates into the group policy in order to be able to access this path. I will also leave you in the description how to import the administrative templates for the Firefox browser into the group policy. On the other side of the available policies, double-click on the policy called Allow Add-ons installs from websites. Then select the disabled option for this policy. Click Apply and then OK. With this step, you have completed preparing this policy, and thus it is linked to the organizational unit. You can then link it to any organizational unit you want, or link it at the domain level as a whole. Then, go to the client computer to verify that the policy is applied to the domain users. Update the group policy by executing the update command for the group policy through the command prompt window. After finishing updating the group policy, close the old Firefox window and open the browser again. Now try installing external extensions on the Firefox browser to check if the policy is applied to the domain users. A message will appear that the installation is disabled, meaning that the policy has been applied successfully. Try installing any other extension again. The same message. Thank you for watching. I hope that the video is useful to you. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.